Okay, so it's been weeks since the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max came out, and in this video, I'll be unboxing both of these phones. So first off, let's start off with the iPhone 14 Pro. And here, you'll see that I got it in the space black color, but there was also gold, silver, and deep purple. And let's set that aside for now, and look at the accessories. So here, you'll see that there's a lightning cable. They haven't switched to USB-C yet, but that should happen in a couple years. And if you live in the US, you'll see that it'll now require you to use eSIM, so you can no longer use a physical SIM card. And back here, you'll see that there's also an Apple sticker. So now let's look at the actual phone itself. So first off, let's take off the plastic cover and power on the phone. And over here, you'll see they finally replaced the notch with a dynamic island. And if you look at the side of the phone, if you live in the US, you'll see that there's no more SIM tray because they fully switched over to eSIM. And you'll see the camera has gotten a lot bigger. So now, let's look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So once I open the phone, you'll see that I got the same black color as I did on the regular iPhone 14 Pro. So let's go ahead and set the phone aside and look at the accessories. And you can see here, there's also a lightning cable, and there's also the same instructions from last time with also an Apple sticker back here. So now let's check out the actual iPhone itself. And first off, I'm going to be peeling off the cover at the front. And now let's go ahead and compare it to the regular iPhone 14 Pro. So at the front, you'll see everything's the same, and on the back, again, you'll see nothing's changed. Pretty much the only difference in design is the fact that the Pro is just slightly smaller than the 14 Pro Max. But if we compare the camera on the 13 Pro, you'll see the 13 Pro camera is slightly smaller than the 14 Pro camera. But besides that, and the fact that it still has a notch, there's no other difference between the iPhone 13 Pro and the 14 Pro in design. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I come out with new content.